How to unlock FL Studio. Let's start. In the last video, we installed FL Studio, and in this video, we will unlock it with registration key. So here is the FL Studio's website, that is imageline.com. You can find the link in the description box below. Now on the top right corner, click on the sign in button. Here you have to enter your email ID and password. Click on sign in. Now on the left side, click on unlock products. Now here you can see unlock VST plugins / alternative unlock for FL Studio. Click on this plus icon. Scroll down a little bit. Now head over to this unlock key and click on it. So here you can see FL Reg key is downloaded. Now I'll minimize this window. Now let's open FL Studio. Help, About. Here you can see FL Studio 20 trial version 20.7.2. So now close this FL Studio. Now just click on this FL Reg key. Click on Run. Are you sure you want to continue? Click on Yes. Reg key have been successfully added to the registry. Click on OK. Now you can close this browser. Now open FL Studio again. Click on Help, About, and here you can see FL Studio 20 Fruity Edition version 20.7.2. So here we have successfully unlocked our FL Studio.